In front of me is OnePlus 15R, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off autocorrection. Start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. When you're ready, select System and Update. Then click on Input Method. Manage keyboards at the top, and finally Keyboard. Now tap on Corrections and Suggestions to use this switcher next to autocorrection. Thanks to it, you can switch it off or turn it on. Quick tip: if you decided you do want to use autocorrection, tap on it on the left. And this way get access to this option called Undo Autocorrect on Backspace. You can manage it thanks to this switcher. Personally, I do recommend for you to at least try it because it's making autocorrection even more helpful. And if you won't like it, you already know where to switch it off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!